How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out an absolute gorgeous 66 GTO done in Tuxedo Black. This car is collector, show car quality. Super nice car. It's done in the Tuxedo Black. Previous owner owned the car for like 28 years. See the grills, headlight bezels, bumpers, everything are just like new. Bumpers have all been re-chromed. The paintwork on this car is just super slick, flat, straight down the sides. I'll tell you, the pictures and video really don't do it a lot of justice. Got the Hearst wheels, redline radials on it. It's got the red painted pinstripe. So all the trim on the back of the car is exceptionally nice. Rear bumpers all been re-chromed. It's got the correct bugle tips. See how flat and straight that car is down the side? Just gorgeous. Car's got a lot of options. It is a true 242. We have the PHS documents on the car. Got the 389 tri-power. It's got factory AC. It's got your power steering, your power brakes. It's very nicely detailed under the hood. It's got hood light option. Got the heavy duty cooling system. Okay, you just do not find these cars this quality. We were very fortunate to get this car. So the jams and everything are beautiful. The interior in the car is mostly looks like original, but excellent condition. It's got the gauge package with the tack. It's got factory tilt wheel, deluxe steering wheel. The headline, everything's really tight, nice. Got all the optional deluxe seat belts. It even has the power trunk. It has flasher option. That's what that there is. That's for the four-way flashers under the dash. That was an option. It's got the Muncie 4-speed in it. Posi rear. And this car is all original body panels, and it is very nice underneath, everywhere. You'll see that in the pictures. Got a matching spare, the jack. Got a custom car cover that comes with it. Very nice car, guys. Take this car to any show, drive it, enjoy it. And all the wood grain, everything on the dash is very nice. It's got the optional vacuum gauge. It's got power driver's bucket seat. Got the dual side view mirrors. Again, it's got the 389 tri-power. Fires right up. Looks like we got a bulb there. They are all original T3s. Everything on this car works just like it should, and this car is very, very well taken care of. In the 28 years the gentleman owned it, said it had never been in the rain, other than at a show we got caught in the rain one time. Very, very nice car, guys. Reverse lights all work. Tell you, it's just a very, very nice car, guys. Hard to find one this nice. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.